Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This is for under 11s coaches and players for the 2024 season in the North Wales Junior Cricket League. An introduction to our under 11s. Our under 11s cricket is split into three areas. We have the Aruri Division, North Division and South Division. Where you lie in North Wales geographically depends which one of these you fall into. Divisions have between 6 to 12 teams and will play each team home and away. We play pairs cricket, 16 overs, more about this later in the video. Teams finishing at the top of their table will have the chance to reach the North Wales final day, which is hosted at Mochdre at the end of the season. A key change to the structure this season is full hardball season, which we will cover later in this video. Going to go over the rules for the under 11s for this season. Hasn't changed much at all from last season, so it's a bit more of a refresher. Games will be played in teams of 8, 16 overs per innings, pairs cricket, 4 overs per batting pair. Teams start on 200 runs. Wides and no balls are worth +2 to the batting side. 6-ball overs with no added ball for extras. The pitch length is 17 yards with a maximum boundary of 35 yards. When bowled out, bats will swap ends. -5 will be added to the batting score, hence why we start on 200, because that could take a club into 195, let's say if they're on 200 and they lose a wicket. Protective equipment must be worn when batting and wicket keeping. We'll cover this a little bit later on again, just because of the change to hardball cricket for the full under 11 season. Junior pink ball will be used for matches with the allowances for softball in certain situations. Again, we will cover that in the next couple of minutes. One of our biggest changes this year is the colour of the ball. We have made the exciting move to pink ball this season after successful 2023 trials. The reasons behind this are visibility, darker nights. Towards the end of the season, our under 13s and 15s especially, games were finishing at 8:30 and the light wasn't good enough and it was making matches a little bit dangerous. So pink ball just increases the visibility. Second reason is inclusion for colour blindness. We've had a couple of clubs get in touch and state that pink ball is easier for their children to pick up on. And the appeal to younger cricketers. They seem to enjoy playing with pink ball, so that's what we're going for this season. Details of where to purchase match balls have been sent to your junior coordinator, so if you're not sure about if you've got a stock for this season, please get in touch with them. If you have any questions regarding pink ball, please get in touch. Details about that are on the last slide. Hardball cricket for our under 11s juniors this season. As most of you are aware, the ECB have introduced compliancy rules for all Premier and Division 1 teams. The requirements of 3 hardball teams for the 2024 season changes the 11s structure slightly. From the start of the season, 11s teams will be required to play all matches hardball. Last season we played half softball transitioning to hardball. That change has been made to full hardball season. However, this does not mean every child will have to play hardball cricket. We are putting softball guidances in place to assist in this difficult transition for our young cricketers. This includes coach guidance to protect the welfare of players. Just to give you a little insight into this, clubs can note on their entry form that they do not believe they'll be hardball compliant by the start of the season. That means that in certain situations, softball matches can be played, but they need to be played in full hardball equipment. So even if you are playing softball cricket, the wicketkeeper will need pads, gloves, helmet, box, and the same with the batting team. All of this will be sent out to your coaches pre-season, so please look out for it. Our top tips for the under 11s season. We've implemented same end cricket, meaning umpires may switch, but overs will be bowled from the same end for the first 8 overs, then switched to the opposite end. Have all your batting side ready and padded up on the sideline. We appreciate that you might not be able to get everybody kitted out in pads, gloves, helmet, box and bat, but at least make sure you've got your next pair ready to go in. Make sure you are carrying a pink hardball, or if you are a club needing to play softball, please provide the ball. Most clubs will be carrying just the pink hardball, so if you are a team that needs to play a softball match, please be aware that you'll need to provide that for both teams. Scorecards can be found on the North Wales Junior Cricket League website, which make things a lot easier for you to score. Have players rotate to the next position clockwise, barring the wicketkeeper. Obviously, your wicketkeeper will be in pads, gloves, box, helmet, so they need to stay in position. But if all the other players rotate clockwise, it means they get to have a go in each of the positions and it keeps their engagement. Aim to get matches started as soon as possible. This is really important. We say 6:15, but if you can get a match started for 6 o'clock, even better. I'd like to say a massive thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate this is going to be a difficult transition for many clubs, but please remember we are here to help. If you have any questions regarding under 11s cricket, please do get in touch with the details below. You can reach us on junior secretary@northwalescricketleague.co.uk. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the season.